Who do you think is the first person that a startup should hire for their marketing department?
When I joined TeachFX, I was the first marketing hire. No freelancers, no interns, no agencies. It was just me. And then from there, I added a marketing ops person who changed everything, right? Because all of a sudden, so much of that really time-consuming stuff was not on my plate anymore, and really freed me up to be much more strategic and creative. And the other person I hired was an educator who's also amazing creative. So he can own our multimedia storytelling and our social media and all this kind of stuff that I can pretend to be able to do, but I'm not a designer and I'm not a video editor. And shifting all that stuff to someone else really helped us move forward. But
maybe some of those one-off tasks would be better suited to an agency relationship, someone who knows the process and has it down. As an agency guy myself, what I've found is that, for example, when a founder comes to the agency and they want to outsource to us, what we usually say is you need to have a head of marketing in place before you hire an agency or outsource to an agency.
I've definitely seen founders think that they can skip out on having an in-house marketing leader, delay having an in-house marketing leader, or replace an in-house marketing function with an agency. It does not generally go well for anyone involved, right? Because you need that in-house marketing strategist who is the direct partner to the CEO, who is totally invested in the company itself, who knows the brand and the value proposition and the product and the market inside and out, and then can be that partner to the agency to let the agency do what they do best.